How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be reviewing the Airsoft M134 Minigun. It's a classic army version with an added M60 hand grip so that it mirrors the minigun used in the film Predator, making it a one-of-a-kind setup. It is a full-size, full metal construction replica, just coming short of a meter at 940mm long and weighs around 11.5 kg. It has an electric motor that sends the barrel spinning, whilst compressed gas sends the BBs out the end at 600 FPS. It has 2000 BBs max capacity and a rate of fire of 50 BBs per second. That is 3000 BBs per minute. In this video, we've done a few targets. We've done 3 targets at once, and we've done 1 target on its own. And at the end, we've just done some shooting of cans, just so you can get an idea of just the velocity and power that this gun provides. Now with the specs out of the way, all Painless is waiting. Thank you for watching, everybody, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for us in the future or want to see any other guns getting shot, then please let us know in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.